Yeah. Hi everyone, it's Jess here, and I usually talk about expat living in Hong Kong, but today I will be showcasing the beauty of Bali. Bali is such an amazing place, rich in culture, beautiful scenery, and amazing food. Stay tuned till the end to see the highlight of my trip, which is the amazing sunset seafood dinner in Jimbaran Beach. Let's go! Morning everybody, we've arrived in Bali and we are staying in our resort in Kuta. So today we will be going to Ubud and going to see the monkeyforest as well as the waterfall. So right now, as we're waiting for the driver, there's some activities for the guests here at our resort. We have about like 20 minutes, so hopefully we were able to just take a look to see what they're doing before our driver comes. So we just finished making our Canang Sari and this is the final result. So what we did is we used some bamboo leaf to make the base, some sticks to kind of put it together as a box. Then we put in all the flowers together, and each of the flowers kind of represent a symbol in Balinese culture. For example, the orange flowers represent the sun, and we're about to head to Ubud, so we'll see you later. We've arrived at the Ubud monkeyforest.
No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break.
Hi everybody, so we are at the rice terraces in Ubud and we just sat down to the rice terrace cafe to enjoy some lunchtime with the beautiful rice terraces in the background. I think this shop has Indonesian food, but it also has fusion, it has like Mexican food as well, and a wide selection of desserts, so yeah. Okay, so we gotten our food, so we ordered a nasi goreng, which is for fried rice, and then we also saw that they had a avocado parfait, so I'm like, oh my god, I need to try that. And then a honey melon drink, so yeah, we're very hungry, so we're just gonna dig in now. Because of the COVID, there's been a decline in tourism, so our guide is saying that the rice paddies here, there used to be a lot more rice, I guess, vegetation. Because of COVID, it's like a lot less now. So we are at Tegenungan Waterfall, probably butchered that. So at the waterfall, you can actually swim at the bottom. I see some like lines for people, like a kind of divider so that you don't go like right into the waterfall. Good morning everybody, today we are in Kuta because we're staying in our hotel in Kuta, so we're just gonna walk along the Kuta Beach. We're walking around the boardwalk and I can see that there has been an impact from the COVID because a lot of the shops are closed. I mean, it's 10 o'clock, maybe it's too early, but I know that our guide told us yesterday that Bali is just recently opening up right now, so a lot of the shops are closed or out of business and they're just slowly getting, rising back from the impact of COVID. So right now we're at Kuta Beach, and Kuta is known for their nice waves for surfing. So there's a lot of places to go surfing here, and you just take a look at the waves. They're really nice, like rip curls. everybody! So we are in Jimbaran and we're going to be having our barbecue dinner by the beach with the sunset in the backdrop. So it's going to be very beautiful. Yeah, it's very lively here. It's not as like touristy as like Kuta, but I don't know, the sand here is a lot finer and I think I like this area more than Kuta because it's like more open. And right now it is about like 5:30 and it is not as hot as when we were in Kuta earlier. It was like so hot. It was around like midday. So yeah, I recommend going like at nighttime to the beach. It is so smoky here. I can smell all the barbecue smoke coming from all the restaurants. Yeah, I'm really excited for our barbecue. So our food has arrived. On the menu today, we have 600 grams of lobster, 500 grams of fish, 6 pieces of prawn, 6 pieces of squid skewer, 6 pieces of clam, 2 bottles of small beer, but we changed it to coconut water, some vegetables, rice, chili, and sauce, and I think maybe we're gonna get some fresh fruit later. So yeah, really good deal. Food, except for 2, about 300 Hong Kong dollars. So that's it for my video. I hope you like it. If you do, please click like and subscribe for my next adventure in Bali. Bye guys!